Hey everybody, I'm David Williams. For my board game, I created a game called Kreature Kart. It's a board game based after the kart racing games like Diddy Kong's Racing and Mario Kart. If you look down here, it's 2 to 8 players. 4 carts are right here. It's used once dice. Everybody starts at the finish line. As they go around the track, they'll pass these pickup spaces. When they do that, they'll draw a pickup card. Each pickup card has a different ability they can use at the beginning of their turn. This one will cause the player ahead of them to lose a turn. I have 4 boards for each. For a tournament style race, you can actually do all 4 races. This is my field board, my desert board. I have a lava board and a forest board. As the players play, they'll each start at the starting line. They'll roll to see who goes first. Whatever they roll, they'll move. When a player passes one of these spots, they'll draw a card. So just for example, let me get a different card. The slime, say the players were moved around, and this player decided to use their slime card at the beginning of the turn. They would roll to see if the card works. If it's a 1 or 2, it fails. That would fail. So we'll grab another card for another player. This is a trap. This one's actually doesn't require somebody to roll. The trap cards and the cheetah boost don't require a card to roll. The player would drop this card at the space behind them. So if this player did it, and say this player comes up and lands on that spot, he would lose a turn. The players go around the board all the way back to the starting point. They race using these ability cards to try and slow the other players down and keep in front. And the first person that wins this game would win. You could play 1 board and that would be the end of the game, or you could do 4 boards. They'll gain points for each match. So first player, the player that finishes first on this board would go first on the next board. He would get 10 points. Second place would be 8 points. Third place 6 points, and so on. And at the end of all 4 races, the players would tally up their points, and the player with the most points would win.